Alright, so back in the shed, and this time I'm going to be making a hopefully nice but pretty quick and pretty simple, nice little jewellery box for my mum for Mother's Day. So hopefully it's going to turn out pretty cool. If you want to stick around, that'd be awesome. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so overall pretty happy with how it turned out. Definitely could be a bit more refined, but I like it. It's chunky, but it's nice, and it'll hold some of my mum's jewellery. So it does the job, and it'll turn out pretty cool, and I think she'll like it. So yeah, that's basically it. Bit of a quick one today, but if you want to go check out some of my other stuff, that'd be cool. And until the next one, peace.